Today, we are going to use Amazon's gift ideas page to find products people are actively buying as presents. Do not hunt through menus because the link can move by region and device. Type the address directly into your browser. Enter amazon.com/gp/most-gifted, then replace .com with your local marketplace if you're in the United Kingdom, India, Canada, or elsewhere. That direct path opens the live lists. Gift Ideas shows items that are most frequently purchased as gifts. Think of it as a purchase intent board for birthdays, holidays, housewarmings, school events, and thank you gifts. These products are proven to convert as presents. Your job is to read what makes them gift ready, then shape an offer that removes the last barriers to gifting. Ask what is driving the purchase. Is it presentation, usefulness for the recipient, a clear style match, a friendly price point, or fast delivery ahead of a date? When you arrive, choose how you want to explore. The first option is to browse the Gift Ideas homepage for a broad snapshot across categories. The second option is targeted. Use the list on the left to switch into a single category. For example, click Arts, Crafts, and Sewing to see only the items gifted in that space. Start broad if you want ideas, go narrow if you already know your lane. Use Gift Ideas to find opportunities where you can add gift readiness, clear value for the recipient, and stress-free delivery for the buyer. If an item is being gifted for a goal, include day one guidance so it is useful immediately. If it is being gifted for style or decor, make presentation and setup effortless. Always think through logistics and returns. Bulky items can crush margins. Fragile or food contact items need protective packaging and clear care instructions. Build differentiation with proof shots, simple comparison tables, and short demonstrations that answer the last questions before someone clicks buy as a gift. Now let us make this concrete with two product examples you can study. In Arts, Crafts and Sewing, the Pipe Cleaner's Craft Bulk, a 200-piece chenille stems, set positioned as kids, toys and games, gifts and fidget-friendly for ages 5 to 7. These land in Gift Ideas because parents and teachers want rainy day activities, birthday party favors, and classroom rewards that spark imagination. To convert gift buyers, you must remove doubts about quality, safety, and mess. Common blockers include fibers that shed, wire tips that poke, colors that bleed, flimsy wires that do not hold shape, no storage, and no project ideas. An improvement plan would include softer, low-shed fibers, a slightly thicker gauge that keeps form, rounded tip guidance or pre-crimped ends, CPSIA and EN71 safety statements, bilingual packaging where helpful, and a resealable organizer box. Add a project booklet with 10 easy builds plus a QR code to short videos. Include simple accessories like googly eyes, mini pom-poms, felt stickers, and glue dots, and offer themed color packs for holidays and classroom decor. Show scale and texture in photos, then a neat unboxing shot so it looks gift ready. Logistics are simple due to low weight, but you should use an inner tray or banding so the stems do not arrive crushed. In Home and Kitchen, the 10-inch reusable plastic box form tray in the letter A for treats, charcuterie, candy, or dessert displays. These show up in Gift Ideas for birthdays, bridal showers, baby names, graduations, and corporate initials, because they make tables look personal without custom fabrication. Gift buyers need certainty on food safety, capacity, setup, and cleanup. Common blockers include unclear material safety, gaps that let small candies slip, scuffing in transit, and no idea how much food to buy. An improvement plan would include food-grade BPA, free confirmation, smooth seams that hold liners, a fitted food-safe liner set, a capacity and portion chart by snack type, and a short step sequence from lining to filling to covering. Add a care card with washing instructions and a simple storage sleeve so the tray lasts. Offer letter bundles for initials, an ampersand option, and color choices like white or clear. Show side-by-side photos of different fills such as candy, fruit, and charcuterie so buyers visualize the result. Logistics are light but bulky, so use corner guards, wrap to prevent scuffs, and stack friendly cartons that withstand returns. Here is how you will use this in practice. Scan the top rows to spot gift themes, then scroll deeper for items with modest reviews and clear room to improve. Open promising listings in new tabs and decide what is driving the gift: usefulness, decor, budget, or delivery timing. Capture only what matters: the core benefits from bullets, the freshest friction points from reviews, any sizing, care, or setup confusion from questions, and signs of gift readiness such as packaging, gift notes, and easy setup. Audit photos and copy for gaps. From this pass, shortlist 3 to 5 items. For each, note the primary gift driver, the top 2 blockers to buying now, 1 improvement you can deliver, and 1 gift or convenience bundle idea. If the product remains attractive at a normal price and the logistics make sense, keep it on your list for development. In the next lesson, we will build on this foundation and take your product research skills even further. That wraps up this lesson. See you in the next one.